Separation Studio 4 comes with a nice assortment of textile colors to help you visualize your separations on garment and to make great presentations for your clients. Here we have our art in a black garment, but what if our client wants to see what it looks like on a dark green? Well, first we can go up and open the textile window. From here we can scroll through and choose whatever color we want. As you can see, there's already many saved presets. What if we like this one? Perfect, a deep forest. We can go ahead and click accept. Great, now it's taken effect. Now what if our client now wants to see it on a different color? We can go back up to the textile window. And let's see what it looks like on kind of a light gray. A light steel, perfect. We'll click accept. Great. Now what if we want to choose a color that isn't already in our color library? Fortunately, in Separation Studio 4, we can save custom textile colors. So to do so, we'll go up to the Edit dropdown, go down to Textiles, and here we have our Custom Textiles window. To create a new color, we'll click the plus button. And here we are. Here we have our new one with default name and default color. Now to customize it, we click the drop-down menu. And from here, we can create our new color in freeform, or we can enter our numbers here based on what our garment manufacturer lists online. For this case, we don't have that, so we'll create our own custom color from scratch. I'm personally more used to working in the HSB workspace, so I'll click H to switch over that workspace. So let's get a nice blue. Great. Now it's time for us to name our color. We go up to the new textile here and change it to whatever we want. Great. Now we can just save it. But if we wanted to delete this color or any other colors that we already had here, we just press the red X by their name. But we don't want to do that because we just made this, so we'll click accept. Great. Now if we want to see this take effect, we go back to the textile window and scroll down, and there it is. Now let's say we had many custom textiles and we didn't want to scroll through all of this to find it. We could go up to here and type in our name. We didn't even need to finish typing the whole thing and it's already isolated right here. Perfect. We'll click accept and have it take effect. Great, our client really loves it on this color, and so do we. Another great way to customize Separation Studio to fit your business needs. Freehand and you, together, we got this.